If you're looking to strengthen your legs quickly, a combination of exercise and proper nutrition including the right vitamins is key. Here are 3 essential vitamins that support muscle strength, recovery, and performance in your legs. Vitamin D, the muscle strength booster. When most people think about building strong muscles, they picture protein shakes, gym sessions, and heavy weights. But there's a silent powerhouse working behind the scenes that often goes unnoticed. Vitamin D. This essential nutrient isn't just good for your bones. It plays a vital role in muscle strength, endurance, and overall physical performance. What is vitamin D? Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that your body produces when your skin is exposed to sunlight. It also functions like a hormone, regulating many important bodily processes, including calcium absorption and immune function. There are 2 main types: D2-ergylcholecalciferol, found in some plant-based sources, D3-cholecalciferol, produced in the skin and found in animal-based foods. Vitamin D3 is considered more effective at raising blood levels of the vitamin. D enhances muscle fiber function. Vitamin D is widely recognized for its role in bone health, but its impact on muscle fibers is equally significant, especially when it comes to building strength and improving physical performance. Muscle tissue contains specialized receptors known as vitamin D receptors, VDRs, which are directly involved in regulating muscle growth and function. When vitamin D binds to these receptors, it stimulates protein synthesis within muscle cells, aiding in muscle repair and development. More importantly, vitamin D plays a key role in maintaining the health and performance of fast-twitch muscle fibers, the type of fibers responsible for explosive strength, speed, and power-based movements, such as sprinting, jumping, and lifting weights. These fibers are crucial not just for athletes, but also for older adults who rely on them for balance and fall prevention. Without adequate vitamin D, these muscle fibers can weaken, leading to reduced coordination, slower reaction times, and overall muscle fatigue. Research has shown that individuals with optimal vitamin D levels tend to have greater muscle mass, improved endurance, and faster recovery after physical activity. In short, vitamin D doesn't just support your bones, it's a key nutrient for powering your muscles from the inside out. Vitamin D improves muscle coordination and balance. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in maintaining not only muscle strength, but also coordination and balance, two essential components of overall physical stability. The vitamin supports the nervous system by enhancing communication between nerves and muscles, helping the body respond quickly and accurately to movement cues. This is particularly important for activities that require coordination, such as walking, climbing stairs, or engaging in sports. Research has shown that vitamin D deficiency is associated with impaired neuromuscular function, which can lead to instability, unsteady movement, and an increased risk of falls, especially in older adults. By ensuring adequate levels of vitamin D, the brain and muscles can work together more efficiently, leading to improved balance and smoother, more controlled movements. In people with low vitamin D, supplementation has been found to significantly enhance postural stability and reduce the risk of falls, making it a vital nutrient not only for athletes but for anyone looking to maintain physical independence and mobility throughout life. Vitamin D supports testosterone levels. Vitamin D has been increasingly linked to hormonal health, particularly in its role in supporting healthy testosterone levels in men. Testosterone is a key hormone involved in muscle growth, energy levels, mood regulation, and overall physical performance. Studies have found that men with adequate vitamin D levels tend to have higher levels of circulating testosterone compared to those who are deficient. This connection is believed to stem from vitamin D's ability to influence the function of the endocrine system, particularly in the testes, where testosterone is produced. Moreover, vitamin D receptors are present in many tissues involved in hormone production, suggesting a direct impact on hormonal regulation. In men with low testosterone, improving vitamin D intake there, through sunlight, diet, or supplementation has been shown to lead to modest but meaningful increases in testosterone levels. This makes vitamin D an essential nutrient not just for bone and muscle health, but also for maintaining hormonal balance and vitality, particularly in aging men or those looking to optimize physical performance and recovery. Vitamin B12, the vital nutrient for energy, nerves, and muscle health. When it comes to essential nutrients for overall health, vitamin B12 stands out as a powerhouse. known scientifically as cobalamin. Vitamin B12 plays a crucial role in the body's energy production, nerve function, and red blood cell formation. While it may not get as much attention as vitamin C or D, B12 is indispensable. Those looking to maintain high energy levels, sharp mental focus, and strong, well-functioning muscles. Vitamin B12 boosts energy metabolism. Vitamin B12 plays a critical role in the body's energy production by helping convert the food we eat into usable fuel. It acts as a coenzyme in the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, breaking them down efficiently so the body can produce energy at the cellular level. Without adequate B12, this metabolic process becomes sluggish, often resulting in fatigue, weakness, and low stamina. This is especially important for physically active individuals and athletes who rely on steady energy levels for performance and recovery. B12 is also involved in the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen to muscles and tissues, further supporting energy and endurance. In short, vitamin B12 doesn't directly give you energy like caffeine, but it enables your body to unlock and use the energy stored in your food, effectively making it an essential nutrient for anyone looking to maintain vitality and fight off fatigue. Vitamin B12 supports nervous system health. Vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining a healthy nervous system, primarily because it plays a key role in the formation and maintenance of the myelin sheath, the protective covering that surrounds and insulates nerve fibers. This sheath ensures that electrical signals are transmitted quickly and accurately between the brain and the rest of the body. When vitamin B12 levels are low, the myelin sheath can become damaged, leading to nerve dysfunction, which may manifest as tingling, numbness, muscle weakness, poor coordination, and even difficulty walking. Over time, a deficiency can cause more serious neurological problems, including memory loss and cognitive decline. B12 also helps produce neurotransmitters, chemicals that transmit signals in the brain, making it vital for mood regulation and mental clarity. In short, vitamin B12 is not just a nutrient for energy, it's a crucial component of a well-functioning nervous system, supporting both physical coordination and cognitive health. Vitamin B12 promotes red blood cell formation. One of the most important roles of vitamin B12 is its involvement in the production of red blood cells, which are responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body. B12 works alongside folate to help the bone marrow produce red blood cells in the correct size and shape. Without enough vitamin B12, this process becomes disrupted, leading to the creation of abnormally large and immature red blood cells that cannot function properly, a condition known as megaloblastic anemia. This type of anemia reduces the blood's oxygen carrying capacity, often resulting in symptoms like fatigue, shortness of breath, paleness, and weakness. In more severe cases, it can also impact heart and brain function. Ensuring sufficient B12 intake is crucial for keeping your blood healthy and your body which supports everything from muscle performance to brain function and overall vitality. Vitamin B12 improves brain function and mood. Vitamin B12 plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy brain function and emotional well-being. It helps produce neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which regulate mood, memory, and cognitive processes. Adequate levels of B12 are associated with better concentration, clearer thinking, and a lower risk of memory loss, particularly as we age. Deficiency in this vitamin has been linked to symptoms such as depression, irritability, confusion, and even cognitive decline. By supporting nerve cell health and reducing harmful homocysteine levels, an amino acid linked to brain degeneration, vitamin B12 helps protect the brain against age-related decline and mental fatigue. In essence, ensuring you have enough B12 is not just about physical health, it's vital for keeping your mind sharp, your mood balanced, and your overall mental clarity strong. Vitamin E, the powerful antioxidant for health and recovery. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble nutrient celebrated for its strong antioxidant properties, playing a vital role in protecting the body from oxidative stress and supporting overall health. Often overlooked in favor of more famous vitamins like C and D, vitamin E quietly helps maintain healthy skin, eyes, immune function, and muscle recovery, making it a critical nutrient for anyone aiming to enhance their well-being and physical performance. What is vitamin E? Vitamin E refers to a group of compounds called tocopherols and tocotrienols, with alpha-tocopherol being the most active and widely studied form in humans. As a powerful antioxidant, vitamin E neutralizes free radicals and stable molecules produced during metabolism or caused by external factors like pollution, UV rays, and cigarette smoke that can damage cells and accelerate aging and disease. Vitamin E protects cells from oxidative damage. Vitamin E is one of the body's most important antioxidants, playing a crucial role in protecting cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that are produced naturally during metabolic processes or introduced through environmental factors like pollution, UV, radiation, and smoking. These reactive molecules can damage cell membranes, proteins, and DNA, contributing to aging and the development of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Vitamin E neutralizes free radicals by donating electrons, thereby stabilizing them and preventing them from harming cells. This antioxidant action helps maintain the integrity and function of cells throughout the body, supporting overall health and reducing the risk of inflammation and cellular dysfunction. In essence, vitamin E acts as a cellular shield, defending against the harmful effects of oxidative stress. Vitamin E supports immune function. Vitamin E plays a vital role in strengthening the immune system by enhancing the body's ability to fight off infections and illnesses. As a powerful antioxidant, it protects immune cells from oxidative damage, helping them function optimally. Vitamin E also supports the activity of various immune cells, including T cells, which are essential for identifying and destroying pathogens like viruses and bacteria. Research has shown that adequate vitamin E intake can improve immune responses, particularly in older adults whose immune systems naturally weaken with age. By bolstering immune defenses, vitamin E helps reduce the risk and severity of infections, contributing to faster recovery and better overall health. Vitamin E promotes skin health. Vitamin E is renowned for its skin protective and nourishing properties, making it a popular ingredient in many skincare products. Its powerful antioxidant action helps shield skin cells from damage caused by ultraviolet UV rays, pollution, and other environmental stresses that accelerate aging and cause wrinkles, dryness, and discoloration. Additionally, vitamin E supports skin healing by reducing inflammation and promoting moisture retention, which keeps the skin soft, supple, and resilient. It can also aid in minimizing the appearance of scars and stretch marks by enhancing skin regeneration. Regular intake of vitamin E through diet or topical application helps maintain youthful, healthy skin and protects against premature aging. Vitamin E aids muscle recovery and reduces inflammation. Vitamin E plays a significant role in supporting muscle recovery and reducing inflammation, especially after intense physical activity. As a potent antioxidant, it helps neutralize free radicals generated during exercise, which can cause oxidative stress and muscle damage. By limiting this damage, vitamin E accelerates the repair process, helping muscles recover faster and reducing soreness. Additionally, vitamin E's anti-inflammatory properties help calm the body's inflammatory response, preventing prolonged muscle stiffness and discomfort. This makes it an important nutrient for athletes and active individuals seeking to improve performance and speed up recovery, ensuring they can train consistently and effectively. Thanks for watching. Remember, vitamin D helps strengthen your muscles and balance. Vitamin B12 fuels your energy and keeps your nerves sharp. And vitamin E protects your cells while supporting recovery and immunity. These three vitamins work together to keep your body strong, energized, and healthy every day. Make sure to get enough through your diet, sunlight, or supplements, and always consult a healthcare professional if you're unsure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health tips. Stay vibrant, stay healthy, and see you next time.